Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you a little shopping vlog that I just did recently. And also I want to talk about one of the handbags that I have been waiting for such a long time until it finally came out, which is the Speedy 20. And also let's talk about LV price increase that's happened in October 1st. So right around the end of September, the new collection just came out. They came out with the Speedy 20 and also there's a Speedy 25 in a beautiful colors. And also both of them are from the Empress leathers. I feel like LV have listening to my thought, like what I have been asking for in a Speedy, and they finally came out with the Speedy with all the spec that I am asking for. So here's the few things about the Speedy 20 that I just take note. So the Speedy 20 will be in 20 centimeter across. And also it is in giant monogram Empress leathers. It is lined with microfibers and it does come with a padlock. And it is a double zip closer. And also I really love the removable strap that's come with this. So it's have a removable strap and half of the strap is in chain and the other half is in leathers, which is super nice. I really love the portion of the adjustable and removable of the strap. It does come with the top handle, so there are two top handles. Also, I don't know if LV does this right. On the website, it say that the black color is retail for $2,440, but the blue color is called navy nacre. I don't know if I say that right, but in the navy colors, it is $2,590, which is the price of the Speedy 25 bandolier. So I think that they put the price wrong, I guess. But they are both the Speedy 20 right now, but the black color is $2,440, but the blue color is $2,590. At the same time, they came out with the On The Go PM, and it is priced $3,250, and the Speedy 25 in the color Torres, also $2,590, and then the black and white giant monogram Speedy 25 is a lot more expensive. I forgot to put down the price on that one. But right now, LV also have a price increase that happened on October 1st. A lot of their item has went up in price, and I do not follow a lot of the style that they have, so I don't know the price different before, but I have paid attention to the Push Cosmetics in the Empress leathers, and now that it is priced around $2,570. So the new Porsche Cosmetics in the navy nacre colors is $2,700. So a lot of the items increase in price, and then the imprint, well, it's not the imprint, the Porsche Cosmetics in the color reverse monogram, it went up a lot. It went up by more than $100, I believe, because I bought it for $2,095 on November of last year, but right now it's $2,350, I believe. I did check it out, but I just forgot. Yeah, so the price increase is happening on October 1st. A lot of their handbag is going up from $100, $120. So right now, I don't think that it is a good time to get anything, but again, the Speedy 20 is something that I have been wanting for a very long time, and I have been waiting very patiently for this combo to come out, so I have to have it, and I really want to see it in person. So it is on my way to me right now. The next video you guys see from me will be the unboxing video on the Speedy 20 in the color black and Go Hardware. Also, I have learned from my essay that the same Speedy 20 will come out in monogram canvas, I believe in November of something. But it will come out in November, and it is this time came out with a thicker strap, canvas strap, and again, I would like to see it in person, but for me, I prefer imprint over monogram canvas. But I believe the price for the monogram canvas one will be $19.90. Well, my essay asked me if I want to place an order for it, and I was like, I'll think about it. So I am not really 100% sure if I would go for the monogram canvas yet, but it's gonna come out in November. If you want it, go grab your essay and make sure that you place the order before it's come out, because you know this style gonna be like so in a flash. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you guys back in my next video when I unbox my Speedy 20. If you haven't done so, please consider to hit like and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot in terms of growing my channel. And I would love to see you back on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.